Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we have Ted with Retrax here, and he's going to show us the all-new Retrax IX bed cover. Let's check it out. This Retrax IX bed cover is made up of durable aluminum slats and is powder coated with a sleek matte black finish to help this bed cover hold up against Mother Nature. The combination of these slats and the UV resistant matte finish will help keep your truck bed and cargo safe from all the elements. This bed cover is incredibly easy to operate. All you need to do is pull the handle, then choose from any of Retrax's 3 customizable latching positions for the ultimate flexibility when hauling. This bed cover slides back into a protective canister with 4 sealed roller bearings inside, which deliver a smooth, frictionless operation that eliminates binding and the need for maintenance. The Retrax IX bed cover is made in the USA and offers a 2-year warranty. This bed cover has a no-drill install with its bolt-on clamps that attach to the bed rails of your truck for a simple installation within 30 minutes. The Retrax IX is a sure way to add sleek style to your truck while giving you all the benefits of a safe, secure bed cover. Hey Ted, we want to thank you for coming out today.
Thanks, Nathan.
And showing us the all-new Retrax IX bed cover. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to tune in every week for more truck-related products like this. See y'all next week.
Is this good?
Yeah. What's that? Powder coated with a sleek black